Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Ramkrishna Forgings Ltd. So, giving a brief about this company. So it is primarily engaged in manufacturing and sale of forged components of automobiles, railways, wagons and coaches, and engineering parts. It is the second largest forging player in India. uh, so the HTML tag hasn't loaded over here, so you can go and read more about the company from screener.com. So this is actually a small cap company with the market cap of 15,000 crores, and the key financials, you can see them over here. One thing to note is the amazing profit growth that this company has. So obviously this sector itself is really strong, which includes both automobiles, railways and wagons. So all these this complete sector is really booming in India as of now. So we can have a look at the compounded profit growth for the last 3 years is actually really nice. So it is compounded profit growth is of 153 percentage. So from the March 2020 and March 2021, the profits have grown from 1020 crores to almost 340 crores. So it jumped to 200 crores, then 250 crores, and then now it is at 341 crores. Going to the balance sheet, so the reserves have grown from around 800 levels to almost 2700, and the borrowings have also reduced from 1600 crores to 1200 crores. So the reduction in borrowing was actually the short term borrowing, which has reduced from 722 crores to 352 crores, while the long term borrowing is still more or less same, but again it has reduced from 870 crores to 770 crores. And a little bit on the shareholding pattern. So FIs have actually increased their stake quite significantly. So from 13 percentage in March 2022 all the way up to 24.5% in March of 2024. So this shows that actually there is a strong institutional backing of to this company. And in the meantime, again, public shareholding has reduced from 35 percentage to 28.53%. Now going to the technicals part of this company. So this was strong uptrend all the way from the beginning of 2023. So it gave almost 237% returns. So clearly shows this script is in demand, and people are willing to pay higher and higher price for this. And in the September of 2023, it had actually made a top, and it had tried to break that top again in November 2023. You can see over here, it had tried to break this, but it was unable to do so. After a few percentage, it slipped back again from 800 levels, and it tried breaching again. So this is actually coming out of a huge base. So over here, so this is forming a nice base, a large base, which is almost 6-7 months long. And recently, so coming over here, so if you see this day, so this was 18th June, and 18th June it had actually opened lower in that day. And in the same day it actually gave close to 12%, 13% returns, and on huge volume. So almost 3.72 million volume of this stock was traded on that day. And again yesterday, so the reason for my entry was this actually opened really nicely yesterday, despite the complete market being very shaky in the morning. So let's go down to lower time frames. So on the 19th, that is 19th of June 2024, which is yesterday. So it opened, with a gap up opening, that too on large volume. So that means people were, rushing in to buy the stock early morning itself. And with the market trend yesterday, it slipped down. It tried to close this gap. So this was my entry over here, around at 823 levels. So yes, I had bought this share at around 10 a.m. 10:30 a.m. and my average price is 823.55. So this was my average price, and I had put a stop loss for the same day, that was around 798 ish, because this being the level from where the strong buying had come in. So maybe I was not sure if the share would actually perform on the same day. Maybe it would have fallen on the same day. So to protect my capital, I had put this stop loss. Now I might bring this down a little bit lower, because the volume yesterday was also really nice. So the volume yesterday was 6.1 million. So I want to maybe give this stock some more room. So I'm going to maybe change the stop loss depending on today's opening. So how the stock reacts today, depending on that, I might adjust my stop loss a little bit. So if we check the delivery data on NSE's website, so again almost 22 lakh shares were delivered. So you can see the deliver quantity over here, showing that some large institution or some large players have accumulated this stock. So yeah, this can actually turn out to be a good stock for positional trade, and let's see how the stock reacts in the coming weeks to come. So yeah, that is pretty much about it. You can go and read more about this company, what it does on screener.com. You can even check the con call presentations that are given down below to have a more better understanding about this company. But this is definitely from a stronger sector, that is the automobile wagon sector. Another company, I can give you an example of Jupiter Wagons Limited. So this company had also broken out of a really good base over here. So you can see from September 2023, almost at the same time, this company had also given a top. So I'll just show you about that as well. So this company had also given a similar chart structure. So September 2023, it had made a top, again tried to break it, and it had finally broken this in May 10th May 2024. And since then you can clearly see this had also given a really nice return. Almost it is up 56% in just a matter of months. So yeah, expecting Ramkrishna Forging to do all the same, and also to keep in notice, this volume over here clearly shows that there is institutional interest in this stock. So yeah, that is pretty much it about Ramkrishna Forging. Thank you for watching.